How can we detect and mitigate algorithmic bias in AI? Imagine using an AI system that unintentionally favors one group over another. That's what we call algorithmic bias, and it can cause unfair outcomes in many areas of society. Today, we're going to look at how we can spot and fix this bias to make AI fairer and more trustworthy. Detecting bias starts with measuring fairness. We use tools that compare how AI makes decisions for different groups based on race, gender, or age. These tools check if certain groups are unfairly treated or overlooked. For example, if a hiring AI favors men over women, these metrics will reveal that difference. Next, we analyze the data used to train the AI. If some groups are missing or underrepresented, the AI might not perform well for those groups. For instance, if a medical AI has mostly data from one ethnicity, it might not work well for others. We also test the AI on different sets of data to see if it behaves differently for various groups. If it does, that's a sign of bias. Explainable AI tools help us understand why the AI made a certain decision. They show which data points or features influence the outcome. If biased or irrelevant features are driving decisions, we can spot bias more easily. Comparing how the AI performs across different datasets or looking for unusual patterns in its outputs can also uncover hidden biases. Once we detect bias, we can work to reduce it. One way is to adjust the training data. We can add more diverse data or modify existing data to remove correlations with sensitive attributes. During training, we can include fairness goals in the AI's learning process. This means the AI is trained not only to be accurate but also to be fair. After the AI makes decisions, we can recalibrate its outputs to correct biased results. Continuous monitoring is essential because bias can develop over time as the AI interacts with new data. Regular audits help catch new biases early. Human oversight is also vital. People can review AI decisions, especially in sensitive areas like law enforcement or lending, to ensure fairness and ethical standards are maintained. There are many tools available to help with these tasks. For example, IBM's AI Fairness 360, Google's What If tool, and Fairlearn provide algorithms and metrics to detect and reduce bias. Explainability tools help users understand how AI makes decisions, which is especially useful for complex models like those used in ChatGPT, Dull, or Midjourney. Some productivity plugins also include fairness checks to help developers keep AI ethical during deployment. In the broader context of AI regulations, addressing bias is a key part of making AI systems safe and fair for everyone. Governments and organizations are creating rules that requiring transparency and accountability in AI. These regulations aim to prevent discrimination and protect individuals from unfair treatment caused by biased AI. In summary, spotting bias involves analyzing data and model behavior with fairness metrics and explainability tools. Fixing bias includes balancing data, training AI with fairness in mind, adjusting outputs, and keeping a close on AI performance over time. These steps help ensure AI systems like ChatGPT, Dull, and Midjourney serve society well and uphold ethical standards.